Welcome back to Gecko's garage, everyone. We've just been installing our emergency alert system. Huh? Someone must be in trouble. Go, go, Tilly Tow Truck! It's Eric, the excavator! I think he's hit a rock. Look, he's broken his caterpillar trap. Oh, Blue, I know the storm is scary, but we need your help. Will you be brave for us? Oh, I can't reach! And I'm too big to fit through that gap. Huh? Oh dear, we need to be fast. I think that dam's going to overflow. Blue is small enough to fit under. Well done, Blue. You're being really brave. Oh no! The dam's going to collapse. Hurry, Blue. Oh, well done, Blue. You faced your fears. And look, a rainbow. It's Cheerio from Gecko. Bye! Oh, hey there, everyone. Vicky, the ice cream truck, is in for her repairs. We're just doing a few finishing touches. Thanks, Yellow. Could I please have a screwdriver? Careful, Mechanicals. That pipe is full of ice-cold air. It's how Vicky freezes her ice cream. What? Yellow! Don't touch that button! Phew! Thanks, Mechanicals. You saved me. Now, let's finish fixing Vicky. Thanks, Vicky. Bye, everyone. What's that yummy smell?
That's right, a free kebab for every customer. This is sure to get me more customers. In you go, Eric. Oh, cook faster.
Is something burning?
Oh! Oh, what's wrong with this stupid thing? Oh! No! My beautiful barbecue!
Fiona fire truck, they're There's a fire!
We're saved!
Let's help fight that fire! Go, go, Mechanicals!
Oh, save it! Hurry up! Hurry up! Ew! Oh, I'm soaked!
Oops! Sorry! The hose won't reach. Great idea, Fiona. Let's use the fire extinguisher. I got you! Thank goodness everyone's safe. Great job, everyone. See you again soon. Bye! Hello there, everyone. Gecko here. It's a lovely sunny day, so I thought I'd do some bird watching. Oh, look! It's the twins, Barry and Carrie. Oh, they look like they're having a lot of fun. Oh no! Barry's crashed! Quick, Mechanicals, we need to help. Go, go, Tilly tow truck! Don't worry, Barry. We'll soon have you out of there. Blue? Hey! Yay! Let's get you checked over. That's strange. Your engine won't start. Ah, Carrie's come to cheer Barry up. How lovely. Oh, I knew there was something fishy going on. That fish must have been stuck in Barry's exhaust. That's why his engine wouldn't start. It's so nice when your friends come to visit. It helps you get better much faster. The fish is home safe and sound. His friends must have been worried about him. Well, all's well that ends well. We'll see you again soon. Bye! Hello, Bobby. Oh, dear. Let's replace that old bumper. All right, Mechanicals. Could you take the bumper off, please? Very carefully. Oh, steady. Steady. Oh, careful, Mechanicals. We need to work together. Oh, thanks, Green. Oh dear. You'll need to finish the repair yourselves, Mechanicals. Phew! Thanks, Green. Oh, Mechanicals, you need to work together. Oh, nice work, Mechanicals. See what a little teamwork can do. All done, Bobby. Nice catch, Green. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Gecko's garage. It's a quiet day today. We're just doing some spring cleaning. Ah! What on earth was that noise? Bobby the Bus? You don't look well at all. Come on, let's take a look at you. Oh dear, Bobby's not well at all. Let's see if we can work out what's wrong. Maybe your radiator needs water. Go, go, Mechanicals! Ow! No, that's not it. Wait a minute. Oh. Aha! Poor Bobby has an oil leak. Oil keeps the engine running smoothly. We can fix that. We found the source of your gripe. There's an oil leak from your pipe. Green will make your hole shut tight by welding with sparks so bright. A plaster will keep your ouchie clean. Hooray! Well done, Blue. Well done, Green. Are you feeling better, Bobby? Another happy customer. That's it from us. See you next time at Gecko's garage. Bye! Hey, it's Max, the monster truck. What can we do for you today? Oh, you want to look like your hero, King Crash! I think we can do that, Max. I'll get my tools. Mechanicals, you get started. Okay, got all my tools. Mechanicals! What have you done? Oh, you all might think he looks great, but it wasn't what he wanted. Don't worry, Max. We'll put you right. All done, Max. Is this what you wanted? Another happy customer here at Gecko's garage. See you all soon.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Gecko's garage. It's very muddy today, so we're getting our car wash ready. Look, here comes baby truck to get all cleaned up. Hello, baby truck. Let me guess what you're here for. Splish, splash and splosh. Activate Gecko's car wash. That's not right. You're still all muddy. Of course, we haven't filled it up with soap. You can't get squeaky clean without soap. Now the soap is filled to the top, we can wash all that mud off. That's strange. The rollers are meant to wash the bubbles off. Aha, that's it! Baby truck is too small for the rollers to reach. Hooray! The car wash is working and baby truck is sparkling clean. It's cheerio from Gecko. Bye!
Could you pass me a spanner, please, Blue? That's not a spanner, Blue. It's a wooden spoon. Sounds like baby truck. I wonder what all the excitement's about.
Presenting Wilbur T. Weasel's new electromagnet. Oh! How do I turn it off? Oh!
Oh no! Mr. Weasel's got magnet trouble.
Everything's fine, Gecko. If you could just switch off the power by turning that bolt.
Blue, stop! A magnet attracts anything made of metal. Oh no! Mechanicals! Oh, I know, Mama Recycle. I need to turn the power down, but I can't use a metal tool. Of course! The wooden spoon! Huh? It's okay, friends. I'll free you soon. With a tool I made from a wooden spoon.
That's not going to work.
Is everyone okay? Oh, great. We'll see you all soon for more adventures at Gecko's Garage. Bye! Fiona fire truck. What's the matter? Your hose isn't working. Let's take a look. Don't you worry, Fiona. We'll soon get you fixed. I'll get my best wrench.
What? Come on, Mechanicals. Give me a hand, please. Are you all right, Yellow? Well, I think that's the problem fixed. Thanks for visiting us at Gecko's Garage, Fiona. Bye! Almost back at the garage, Mechanicals. Whoa! Someone's dropped rubbish on the road. There's lots of it, and Mama Recycle does not look happy. Come on, if we follow the trail, we'll find out who's dropping it. The trail goes to the left. It's Dylan, the dump truck. His broken tailgate's dropping litter. But his music's so loud he doesn't notice. Mechanicals! We've got to turn down Dylan's music. Let's recycle and save the day. Using things we've thrown away. Dylan! Dylan!
Oh?
Your tailgate's broken. But don't worry, I'll fix it. While Mama Recycle and the Mechanicals sort the rubbish. All done. How's the recycling going? See you again soon for more adventures at Gecko's Garage. Dylan, turn it down. Hello everyone, Gecko here. Today's a very special day. It's Baby Truck's first visit to our garage. So we want to give her an extra special Gecko's Garage welcome. Hello, Baby Truck. Are you nervous? It's okay. You're in safe hands. Right, Mechanicals? Ah! Huh? No. Baby Truck! Wait! Oh no. We've frightened Baby Truck away. Don't worry, Mummy Truck. We'll find her. Quick, Mechanicals! We need to find Baby Truck. Poor Baby Truck. Where could she be? Huh? Are you hiding, Baby Truck? Is it because you're nervous? Guess what? Me too. It's your first time at the garage. We wanted to make your visit extra special. I'm sorry if we frightened you, but I promise we'll take extra special care of you. Is that okay? Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need.
Have an amazing day, baby truck.
You are so brave. You're welcome, baby truck. Thanks very much for joining us at Gecko's Garage today. Bye!
Oh, what a lovely sunny day. What on earth is that? Whoa!
With this big balloon, they'll be able to find my garage from miles around. Ha ha! Who could that be? I'm busy. Max? More air for your tyres? Fine.
Wait! Mr. Weasel isn't putting air in Max's tyres. He's using the helium for the balloon. Which means...
Don't worry, Max. I'm coming.
Hey! Oh! Spinning screwdrivers!
How is it my fault?
Oh! Oh, don't panic, Max. We'll think of something. Max! If I let some air out of the tyres, we'll go whooshing along like a balloon. Oh! Ah! Ooh! That's it, Max. Aim for the garage. Ah, there you go, Max. Good as new.
I'll show that Gecko once my advertising balloon is ready. Oh!
Come on, mechanicals. We have Fiona fire truck in today.
Whoa!
I'm Wilbur T. Weasel, owner of Weasel's Wheels, fully automated to fix things fast.
Hello, Mr. Weasel. I'm Gecko.
Oh, here's my first customer. Every job is quickly done, so Weasel's Wheels is #1. See you, frog?
The name's Gecko.
OK, Floella. Won't take long. I'm not too sure which button starts the service. Oh, pressing them all should do the trick. Come again, Felicity.
That was quick. Oh dear, she doesn't look good. Come in, Fiona. Let's have a look. That's the problem. Weasel was in such a rush to get things done that he put soap in your tank instead of oil.
We fixed the problem properly. Now Fiona's running bubble-free.
I'm sure I pressed the right button. Oh, yuck!
Oops. See you again soon at Gecko's garage. Bye! Come on, Green. Let's load all this rubbish into Tilly. Whoops. Sorry, Yellow. That old sofa needs to go to the rubbish dump. We can't keep it. It's the Truck family. Mummy Truck, Mama Recycle, and Baby Truck. Oh no! Poor Baby Truck. That was a hard landing. If only there was some way to make it soft. Huh? What's that, Mama? You have an idea? There you go, Baby Truck. You should land softly this time. You're welcome, Baby Truck. Aw, thanks, Mama Recycle. It's always good to make something new out of something old.